Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths KS3. In today's video, we will study direct and inverse proportion, which is a syllabus for Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4. So here are the QR codes of my videos I have made so far. You can scan it to watch more videos. So let's start. In both the direct and inverse proportion, I will make two videos on each, and one level is little advanced. So right now it is a basic level. First of all, you need to understand what is the meaning of direct and inverse proportion. So when two quantities are said to be in direct proportion, it means if one increases, then other also increase. If one decrease, other also decrease. Now what do I mean by this? For example, I have three people, and their salary is, for example, 100 dirham or $100. If I will have more people, salary will also increase. If I will have less people, salary will decrease compared to this. It means if you decrease or increase this factor, the other factor has the same impact. So if one increases, other increase. One decreases, other decrease. That type of relation is called direct proportion. Now what is inversely proportion? Two factors or two quantities are said to be inversely proportional. It means in this case we saw both are increasing or both are decreasing. But in this case what happens? If one factor increases, the other factor decreases. For example, to build the house, for example, number of days are 80. If labor or the manpower is suppose 20. But if I increase manpower, then what will happen? The construction of the house will be completed in less number of days. So if you increase the manpower, the number of days will decrease. So these type of relation where when one factor increases, the other decreases. Okay, when one decreases, other increases. So this is the basic difference between direct proportion and inverse proportion. So now let's see the questions of direct proportion first of all. So Jeremy uses 400 gram of flours. I have collected altogether 7 to 8 questions. Some are for you and some I will explain here. And from 400 gram of flour, 8 muffins can be prepared. How much flour will be required to make 30 muffins? So first of all, the best way to present is write down the factors we are talking about. So it is flour in gram and muffins you can make. So 400 gram flour can make 8 muffins. And question is saying if it is 30 muffins, that how much flour do you need? So after writing it like this, now because it is a case of direct proportion, it's not written in the question. But if I know if 8 muffins are made in 400 grams of flour, then 30 muffin will definitely need more flour, right? So in these type of situation, after writing it like this, we multiply like this, cross multiplication, right? So I can say 400 will be multiplied by 30 and 8 will be multiplied by x, and then cross multiply, it will come down. I'm not going into the concept at the point how come it is coming down, what is the logic. I have already made videos on those concepts, so you can watch it. So after writing it like this, now you can easily calculate. So 400 divided by, because at your level calculator will not be allowed. So 8 5s are 40, 0 will come here. So 50 times 30 is 5 3s are 15 and 2 zeros. So how much flour is required? 1500 gram. Let's see the second question. By the way, if you want to put the video on pause at any point, you can, and try it out, then you can continue watching. It cost Amodo £28 to put 20 liter of diesel in his car's fuel tank. So cost is in pound 28, and how much liter of petrol he can buy? 20 liters. So if he wants to buy 40 liters of petrol, so make sure I'm writing it in liter column, not the other column. Don't make that mistake. So what will be the cost of it? Now again, it is understood case, if liter will increase, price will also increase. So this is also a case of direct proportion. So now you will again cross multiply and you will get the answer. So 20 multiplied by x is 20x and 28 times 40. So x is equals to 28 times 40 divided by 20. You know you can cancel the 0 when there is multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So 28 times 2 is what? 56. What is the unit? Pound. Right? So that 40 liters of petrol will cost him pound 56. So you can write this statement here. Pound 56 would be the cost to put 40 liters of diesel in his car. Now again, what you have to try to understand from these examples, which I have taken numbers, quite in numbers, so that you can understand what is direct proportion. Doesn't mean 12, you know that, right? So if 12 bananas cost $20, then what is the price of 48 bananas? So bananas are written here, so I will write 48 here and x here. Again, it is a case of direct proportion, because if number of bananas will increase, the cost will increase. So I will multiply it by cross multiplication, and this is a case of direct proportion. One thing increase, other also increase. So 12 times x is equals to 48 times 20. So I'm solving it slowly in front of you. You need to know tables very well. So 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 80. What is the unit? Dollar, because x was in the column of cost, right? Now I'm giving you this question. You can put the video on pause and try it. I'm giving you 1 minute to solve it, okay? But definitely I will not wait for 1 minute, otherwise video will get very long. Okay, a group of 21 students. So 21 students, how much they paid entry fee for the magic show? $840. This much they have paid. Always write the factor on the top so that there is no confusion, okay? How many students entered the magic show if the total amount is 1680? So now I will again do cross multiplication. What is the reason? If fees is increasing, then understood that the students will also increase for the magic show. It means more people have taken the entry ticket. Agreed? So I will do 840 times x is equals to 21 times 1680 is 21 times 1680, 840. You know zeros you can cancel like this, and then you can cancel it by which table? Let's see, 168 and 84 can be cancelled by the table of 2. Whatever table you know, it's better. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and then again it is by the table of 2. You know, I can do it on the calculator, but I want you to see if you are doing in place of me, then how will you make it work, right? So what did I get? Let me write it here neatly once again, so it will become easy. X is equals to 21 times 84 over 42. So 42 times, because it is exactly double of it, I can see that. So 42 times 2 is 84. Mental maths. Double of 42 is 84. So it will be 42. What unit will come? These are number of students. So 42 students will buy the entry ticket. So now this question is for your checking for understanding. I'm going to show you the solution here, and then you can check. So put the video on pause, very quickly do it, I am showing you the solution here. Now next video I will finish this video here. Next video have these type of questions. Now the level is little advanced, right? Because concept is same, so you can watch the video. I will put the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.